It's been a dynamic week for rare earth stocks. Many names surged 10 to 20% in pre-market trading on Tuesday before selling off sharply at the open. Well, these wild swings reflect how markets are reacting in real time to renewed US-China tensions over control of critical minerals. The flare-up began when Beijing expanded its export controls on rare earths, citing national security. Washington pushed back, with President Donald Trump threatening 100% tariffs. Then came an escalation in the ports. Both nations introduced entry fees on each other's vessels, a move that could ripple through global supply chains. Here's a look at pre-market surge reaction in those rare earth stocks earlier this week, before they gave back some gains on Tuesday's market opening. Critical Metals Corp jumped over 38%, USA Rare Earth rallied 12%, MP Materials climbing nearly 9%. United States Antimony gained 14.3%. Neocop Development saw a 9% rise. Now, by midweek, several names had slipped from their highs, though prices remain well above where they started last week. In Washington, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent accused China of trying to pull everybody else down by exporting weakness, while also suggesting a harsher tariff move may not be inevitable. In Beijing, a Commerce Ministry spokesperson defended the export curbs as legitimate security measures, accusing the US of abusing export control tools and discriminating against China. The US has begun taking stakes in critical mineral firms around the globe. It recently acquired a 10% equity position in Canadian-based Trilogy Metals. In Canada-headquartered Lithium Americas, the US Department of Energy secured a 5% stake tied to a $2.26 billion loan agreement. The US Department of Defense also committed $400 million to MP Materials via preferred stock and warrants. The rare earth sector has become a lightning rod, and as tensions deepen, critical minerals are now a new front line.